Well, joining us now on the show is Vijay Bhamwani, who is the author and CEO of BSPLindia.com. Good morning, Vijay. Would like to know the key levels that we should be watching out for on the Nifty?
Where the market outlook is concerned, the Nifty bullish pivot for the session will be at 5,930 levels in the Nifty spot. Only if the bulls manage to keep the Nifty spot trading above this threshold will the primary target be 5,950 and a secondary target will be 5,975. On the downside, the bearish pivot for the Nifty spot for the session will be at 5,915, below which the primary target will be 5880 and a secondary target will be 5860.
Well, quite a bit of consolidation, Vijay, kicking in for the Bank Nifty as well. What would be your strategy for today?
Where the Bank Nifty is concerned, it has declined after failing to pierce the 50-day moving average successfully on a closing basis, and therefore is relatively more weaker than the Nifty 50. Where the levels are concerned, the bullish pivot for the session will be at 12,100 on the Bank Nifty spot. If and only if the bulls manage to keep the Bank Nifty spot trading about 12,100, will the primary target be 12,225 and a secondary target will be 12,300. On the flip side, the bearish pivot is at 12,050 levels, below which the primary target will be 11,900 and a secondary target will be 11,825 levels.
Okay, and what would you recommend from the commodities pack?
In the commodity space, I'm bearish on Mentha oil and I advocate shorting the prompt month futures at marginal pullbacks to the 1230 levels. I would hold these shorts with a stop loss at 1246 and expect to book profits at 1212.
And Vijay, in equities, what would be your top recommendations then?
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to short Axis Bank at rallies to the 1,390 levels, which is higher than where it closed at yesterday. I would hold these short positions with a stop loss at 1,406 levels, expecting to book profits at 1,372 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a short again, this time in Aurobindo Pharma in the cash segment, which I would want to short at marginal rallies to the 165 levels. In the cash segment, I would hold these shorts with a stop loss at 168 and expect to book profits at 161 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Okay, and from the FNO side of the market, what's the strategy that you would recommend?
In the futures space, I would want to short the March futures of Apollo Tyres at pullbacks to the 88 levels. I would hold these shorts with a stop loss at 89.25 and I would expect to book profits at 86 or end of the session, whichever comes first.